Day 16. Love that heals wounds. Scripture. 1 Peter 4 verse 8. Reflection. Love is the divine antidote to pain. It covers wounds that words or apologies can't reach. When Peter wrote that love covers a multitude of sins, he wasn't suggesting we ignore wrongs, but that love has power to mend what offense has broken. Holding grudges darkens the soul, but forgiveness brings light back in. True love is courageous. It chooses mercy over bitterness, grace over revenge. Healing begins not when others change, but when you let go. As you extend the same forgiveness Christ gave you, peace begins to flow again. God's love doesn't just restore relationships, it restores you. Prayer. Lord, fill me with your healing love. Help me forgive freely and release those who've hurt me. Action point. Reach out to someone you've been distant from, send a kind message or prayer for them. Thought of the day. Love doesn't ignore pain, it transforms it.